来关心国际消息，美国纽迪西州有一架载1200台车火船倒火，这架船拢总有12站，火实在是烧甲真猛，拖真凶。赶去现场拍火消防员有2个不幸过往，5个重伤。
船舱内面一路烟清水，就知影讲内面的火正大。入去内面拍火消防人员因此发生死伤的情形。
Something that they had not trained for and would not return home that evening.
找5晚9点半左右，消防员接到报案赶来纽瓦克港，发现这台挂意大利国旗的货船第10站的所在有差不多7台车导火烧，而且火正紧就拖到第11甲第12站，现场温度正悬，消防员无法度入去。当局讲，伫船顶拍火是正特殊的工作。纽瓦克消防员正少拄到这种火灾，虽然已經被接受過訓練，不過船的規格無同款。
It was approximately 12 stories high. The members went in like we always do to try to make a bad situation better. Went in to extinguish this fire, and somewhere around the 10th and 11th floor, which was on fire, 10th, 11th, and 12th, with vehicles.
火船所属的格里马金公司讲，火灾发生迄当阵，28位船员，还有在地装卸货人员，才拄甲超过1200台身躯车、面包车，还有卡车搬进去船顶，准备要载去熄火。导火了，船员遂启动消防停驶。船顶无电动车或者是危险物品，也无发现燃油外漏。船本身的稳定性也正常，导火原因也唔知。国家运输安全委员会讲，将会由美国海华防卫队带头，甲委员会制定调查这场火警。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。